Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and backed up. This prevents accidental permanent loss. Next, open the Contacts app or tap Phone then Contacts so you're looking at the list. Once done, decide whether you want to remove one contact, several at once, or all contacts tied to an account. Make sure to check which account, iCloud, Gmail, Exchange, each contact belongs to. Deleting from the account will remove them across devices. To delete a single contact, open the contact, tap Edit, scroll and tap Delete Contact. This removes that entry immediately. For multiple entries, use contacts groups to filter an account, then delete individually or install a trusted bulk delete app. This is faster for dozens. If contacts are synced, go to Settings Contacts Accounts, choose the account and toggle off contacts, or delete the account to remove all linked contacts. This explains why account-level removal affects every device using that account. After deleting, confirm by reopening contacts and allowing a minute for iCloud or server sync to propagate changes. If deleted contacts reappear, make sure other synced accounts, Gmail, Exchange, don't still provide them. Sign into iCloud. COM or the account web interface to permanently remove duplicates. If you mistakenly removed the wrong entries, restore from your iCloud or iTunes backup. Otherwise, export remaining contacts before trying bulk operations again. One key tip: turn off contacts, sync only after you're sure you have a backup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.